Hey guys, it's Blossoming Jasmine with yet another bling cup. So this is a cup that I made for a client of mine. They contacted me via DM on Instagram. My Instagram is Blossoming Jasmine, but my bling company is Billionaire Bling, okay? And they just wanted a AKA cup, so I sent them designs, and this is the design that they picked. So if you want to purchase this look, you can go to my website or you can contact me via DM. But you go to my website, blossomandjasmine.com, and you're going to click on the Grande cup or you're going to click on the Venti cup. And you pick your color. So this is a pink stone. And then you add a logo. It's additional thing you're going to click on. And then I'll reach out to you with several designs and you pick it. And that's really it. I make it and I ship it. So I hope you guys love this. If you know anyone in the Divine Nine or AKA, definitely send this to them. I love you and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.